In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GST in Zoho Invoice with a full guide. This process is essential if you're managing invoices and need to ensure that your business complies with GST tax regulations. Let's walk through each step to make sure you can configure your settings quickly and efficiently. First, you'll want to head over to your Zoho Invoice dashboard. This is your starting point for managing all invoicing tasks, and it's where we'll begin to set up GST. Once you're in the dashboard, the next step is to find and click on the Settings option. You'll usually find this in the upper corner of your page. The Settings area is the control center for all your configurations, allowing you to customize how Zoho Invoice operates according to your business needs. After clicking on Settings, look for the option labeled Taxes. This section will house all tax-related configurations. Here is where we lay the groundwork for adding the GST. Click on Taxes, and this will take you into a new section where all existing tax rates are managed. Now that you're in the Taxes section, you should see an option to click on New Tag. Selecting this will let you add a new entry specific to GST, adding this necessary tax to your transaction settings. Next, in the form presented, type in GST as the tax name. This might seem straightforward, but naming your tax accurately is important for quick identification and reference when carrying out tax filings or reviews. Once GST is entered as the name, the subsequent required input is the rate, which you should enter in percentage form. Entering the correct GST rate is crucial. Take a moment to verify the applicable rate for your region or business context before proceeding to the next step. In addition, while setting up the tax, pay careful attention to the option that indicates whether this tax is a compound tax. A compound tax means that the tax is computed on a base amount that already includes another tax. Understanding whether your GST needs this classification is essential, as it impacts how the tax calculations are carried out on your invoices. Finally, after you've filled in all the necessary details and reviewed them for accuracy, click on the Save button to ensure all your entries are stored correctly. This final step updates your Zoho Invoice settings, integrating the GST into your invoicing system, ready to go for your next transaction. And there you have it. A full guide on adding GST in Zoho Invoice. Following these steps ensures your invoicing is accurate and compliant with tax regulations, streamlining your business processes. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful guides.